So first square root, find the square root by factorization method, right? So first example, 256 x minus a whole power 8, x minus b whole power 4 into x minus c whole power 16, x minus d into whole power 20 it is given, right? So see to that all are square numbers basically, right? So they have given you directly the answer. So 256 will be your square of 16, right? So it is 16 square. Then x minus a whole power 8, I can write that as x minus a whole power 4 whole power 2, because you have the rule for power to power will be under product. You know that exponential rule, right? So x minus a, x minus
Can
a.
you explain me that rule, ma'am? I'm not clear with that.
You are not clear with that. So let me work it out on the board. You can just go through. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have the rules. First, initially, I'll say what are the rules. Okay. You have the exponential rules as a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. That is when they have same base and when they are in multiplication, that is product. Then the powers will be added. So this we call it as the product rule. Then when they are in division, a power m divided by a power n, in that case your powers will be subtracted, a power m minus n, right? When I have power to the power, a power n whole to the power n, now the powers will be multiplied, so it will be a to the power m into n, right? So that is what we are going to now use it for your finding the square root of your expressions, right? So we are using the third one, okay? Question is 6 x minus a whole power 8, x minus b whole power 4, x minus c whole to the power 16, minus d whole to the power 20. Right. So now I'm expressing this, okay, as the square numbers, right? So 256 will be written as 16 to the power 2, 16 square, right? Then x minus a will be to the power 4 whole to the power 2, such that 4 into 2 becomes 8, okay? Similarly, x minus b whole to the power 2, again whole square. Then x minus c power 8 whole to the power 2. Then x minus b whole to the power 10 whole to the power 2. So now when you see that these powers will be multiplied, 10 into 2 it becomes 20, 8 into 2 it becomes 16, 2 into 2 it becomes 4, then 4 into 2 it becomes 8, right? Now I can remove the
Yes, ma'am.
square root and the squares, right? When they are in squares and we have the square root, now I can remove it. So therefore after removing it, I'll be getting 16 into x minus a whole to the power 4, x minus b whole to the power 2, x minus c whole to the power 8, x minus d whole to the power 10. So this will be your final answer. Okay.
So what do we do with that outer powers, ma'am? We just take this 4, 2, 8 and all that. How about the ones which are outside?
But when I mean it as square root, it means that it is power 1 by 2. Okay. If in case, to be more precise, so how to get this answer? I'll just make it up. Why I'm getting it is, so everything is now to the power 2. Now when I say that as root, it means it is to the power of 1 by 2. Is it clear? Therefore, it becomes to the power of 1 by 2 for this. Again, x minus a whole power 4. Then you have the 2. Again, it becomes 1 by 2 for this. And again for x minus b power 2 whole to the power 2 into 1 by 2. That is, the root is becoming as 1 by 2. Okay. Now, x minus c power 8 to the power 2 into 1 by 2. Once again the same for x minus b to the power 10 to the power 2 into 1 by 2. So that's why that 2 it's getting cancelled everywhere. Okay. So that is why whenever I say any root, when it is being expressed as the same power of the number, that number will be taken out. So that is why it is becoming as 16 x minus a whole power 4, x minus b whole power 2, x minus c whole power 8, x minus d whole power 10. So this will be your final answer. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.